Hi everyone, my name is Shriyan Srinivas Prasad and this is Tanishal. We are Team Tron studying in grade 7 Exit Public School, Mysore. Our theme is local community problems where we focus on community specific challenges. We are excited to present our project AI powered public urination detection and deterrent system.
Our problem statement is to develop a solution that reduces public urination in streets, building walls, and corners. A major issue that affects cleanliness, hygiene, and public health.
Public urination continues to be a serious sanitation problem in many cities. According to the Urban Hygiene Foundation 2019, over 65% of the people say this happens mainly due to the lack of access to toilets. In our own survey, most respondents said that they frequently witnessed public urination near the walls and roadsides, corners, and almost everywhere reported discomfort due to the foul odor and poor hygiene.
Despite signboards and fines, these methods fail because there is no real-time monitoring and violators often go unnoticed. As a result, public spaces suffer from wall damage, foul smells, and unhygienic conditions that affect both infrastructure and public health. Clearly, a smarter, more reliable solution is needed.
To address this challenge, we developed an AI-powered camera system that automatically detects public urination and immediately triggers a warning message or alarm to stop the act. Here's how it works. A camera connected to a Raspberry Pi continuously monitors the area. Captured images are sent to Azure Custom Vision, where a trained CNN analyzes human posture and behaviors. If urination behavior is detected, the Raspberry Pi instantly activates deterrence mechanisms such as loud voice warning. The system resets in a few seconds and continues monitoring. Our project directly supports multiple Sustainable Development Goals: SDG 3, Good Health and Well-being; SDG 6, Clean Water and Sanitation; SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities. Our project demonstrates how AI and IoT can solve real-world civic problems and encourages responsible public behavior.